Hello kids. So we're doing science today and we're doing a bit of an investigation for the next 2 days. So all you're going to do today is explore and play using magnets. Now, I don't know whether you've got magnets at home. I've got magnets on my fridge and they're little like things that you can stick on the fridge. You might know what magnets are, you might not. So I'm going to show you basically. I'm going to give you more information about magnets tomorrow and explain a bit more about how they work. I just want you to have a play today. Now, if you haven't got magnets at home, there's some online games that I'm going to show you how to use now. So, share screen. If you do have magnets at home, you can play with them at home by seeing what gets stuck to them. But have a go on these games anyway. So on your seesaw, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 different activities online that I want you to have a go at. Now, on mine, right, you have to have something called a flash player. And I'm going to show you what might come up on your computer. So the game is meant to be at the bottom of this page, but instead it's got this. Adobe Flash Player is blocked. Now, if your computer has got that, this is what happens at school sometimes, and it's going on Google Chrome. So if that happens to you, you need to use the Internet Explorer instead. Now, what you can do is you go on that and you click on it and you press copy, then you go to the and get a new page up and press paste, enter. It comes up then. I'm pressing at the bottom show all content so we get everything, and then you get the game then. So this is the first game. See if you can pick up the key by pulling back the springs to the yellow, green or red light. Okay. So this one, you've got to basically pull that and try and pick the key up. That's the first game, and there's a couple of different levels on that. And that's getting you to understand how springs work. Let's go on the second game, back on seesaw. The next game is a magnet detective game. So again, look, I'm on Google Chrome and the game isn't there. So what I have to do is go on that, click on it, right click. So you've got that click on your mouse is okay. So look, so the left hand side, you click on it and it makes it blue. We've done this at school. And then the right click, the other finger, few more options, copy. Then we go on the E and we press paste. You know how to copy and paste. We've done it so many times. Enter. And then the game will come up. I like this one. I don't think you do have to show all kinds of content. I've just closed it down and it still works. So this one, it sets you on missions that you've got to complete. So it's sending us on a secret mission. A crime has been committed where people have stolen things and we've got to get the things back using magnets. So there's a girl that talks you through and you've got to use the magnets to try and get the thing. Now some of it's tricky and you have to use 2 magnets. See if you can figure it out. So I'm going to start by showing you a little bit and then I'm going to let you have a go on that game. So you've got some magnets at the one side, you've got some magnets here, and you've got to try and get the sandals. So you've got to try which magnets and see if they work. This one didn't work because the magnet wasn't strong enough. So then I'll try again, get a different magnet. Then you go on to the next level. So this time, can you see there's green there? And there's two big green circles. So you might need to try 2 magnets. I'm not telling you anything else. So that's the next game. Let's go back on seesaw. Number 3. Now I've got this already open. Which one is it? Which one is it? Ah, this one. Where have you gone? I don't know where you've gone, but I'm sure you can still hear me. So this game, you've got to work out if things are magnetic or not. So you press, oh, I'm back. Press start, and then see if the magnet sucks things up. The magnet doesn't suck anything up, it goes to non-magnetic. I'd like you to work out which things are magnetic, which things stick to magnets, that means, and which things don't. So that's that game. Now the last game, I think is really cool. So this last one, which I'm already open on this, is, nope, not this one. Which one is it? Hardcore Gold Star. So this one is a lady that talks you through and explains how magnets work. Now magnets have actually got 2 ends, a north end and a south end. And if you've ever seen a compass before, a compass is something that shows you the direction things are. So you've got north, south, east, west. North points to the North Pole. South points to the South Pole, in the Arctic and the Antarctic. And magnets are the same. Magnets have got a north end and a south end. Now I'm going to explain a bit more about this tomorrow. But today I want you to play on this. So she talks and you have to listen to her because you won't understand it otherwise. And then once you've listened to the woman talk, you go on next. You've got to listen to that bit, otherwise you won't understand. You won't be able to play the game. So then, once you've listened to the lady talk about everything, there's a game, and I'm going to explain to you how to play the game. So you've got to find the treasure. Now the treasure is where the X is. Now the woman explains which way the compass points to. Which way that red arrow will always point to, either north, east, south or west. She's going to tell you. So you have to work out which way round the letters go on the compass and what should be at the top. And then once you think you've got the compass in the right place, the arrows don't move, all those letters move. So once you think you've got it in the right place, you've got to see which direction. So look, now the W is where the X is. So I'm going to guess W. But I haven't got the compass the right way round, because actually south isn't the red end of the compass. Let's have another go. Is east the red end of the compass? If east was the red bit of the compass, then that means that the treasure is in the direction of south. So I'll press F. That's not right either. So you figure that out in the last game. And that's it. I just want you to go with all of those. And if you can screenshot it and put it on Seesaw to show that you've gone on those things, then that would be great. If not, don't worry. But if you haven't played on all of those games, you're not going to understand tomorrow's lesson. Have fun and ask your teacher if you need any help. I'll see you tomorrow, kids.